when it comes to sales, it's very clear what action we all want our customers to take, which is to part their money from their wallet, right? So we need to understand what motivates people to take an action. Psychologically speaking, there's only two main motivator when it comes to people taking action. People are either motivated, and you can write this down, by pain or by pleasure. That's it, simple as that, right? So if you really understand what's the pain and pleasure points, right, of your targeted consumers, right? And I say targeted because everybody's target segment is different. For me, I specialize in understanding the millennial market, right? I know how they think, they feel, they act, right? I think other people may know other demographics better, right? But for me, right, exactly how they think, exactly how they feel, and exactly how this links to what action they take, I know exactly the whole process, right? And I know what words to use, what emotions to press, and I can get them to obviously click or to spend, at the store. What does this translate to, right? If you talk about pain, what does pain mean? Really, it's about what are their frustrations, what are their fears, right? And you play to that, right? Unfortunately, sometimes people feel a little bit bad, kind of echoing their fear and frustration. But that's exactly how great salespeople are. They are fantastic at making sure you know very well what your fears are and frustrating you further, right, on your current course of action, and hence you become open to their solution, right? On the other hand, if you want to play to a pleasure point, right, for example, I've worked with luxury brands before, right, and you would really want to play to the wants and aspirations of your target consumers. For example, I believe that most people buy a luxury brand or watch, say, belt or shoes, they're not really buying for functional use. They're really buying because aspirationally, they want, right, or they dream to look good in front of their friends and family. They want that admiration and adoration, right? So if you play to that, you can get people to buy 10x, right, the price of even what your competitors offer, because you play to the right emotion. And that's what we've seen with very, very good high-end brands being able to do. And that's the thing that people don't get in sales is you never sell based on price. You always sell based on emotion.